I come back to my subject that I had taken up yesterday. I met a scientist in Europe last year, and he's a scientist from NASA, working with astronauts and looking after their health and well-being when they are far away in space. And I asked him that how do you manage with illnesses and diseases in space? When astronauts are living in the space station for 6 months, do they carry suitcases full of medicine with them? In anticipation that I might develop hernia, I might develop blood pressure, I might develop this, I might develop that. Do they carry medication with them? And what happens if they fall sick? He said, Swamiji, we are working on a new system of therapy known as quantum therapy, and which we are successfully using with the astronauts. What is that quantum therapy? He said, it is a computer with a special software. And in the computer we feed in all the physical parameters, the blood pressure, the heartbeat, the pulse, the temperature, the this, the respiration, all the physical parameters of the astronaut. And the computer assigns a particular frequency to the person. The frequency of that person is captured by the computer. And no matter where the person is on the planet or out of the planet, as long as that person is alive, the computer will continue to pick up that frequency being emitted by the person. And through the computer we can treat the person. If we know that he is going to have headache, we can feed in the information in the computer, and the electromagnets will be beamed from Earth to that person, and that beam of electromagnets will alter the function of his body in space, and he will not have headache. And he said, in this manner we can treat many other illnesses. And we can anticipate by looking at these parameters through regular testing that there is the possibility of this particular disease coming up in this life in future, and treat it. And he further said that hopefully by year 2050 we are working on that. But everybody will be carrying their own personal small computer with them, just monitoring their health and treating themselves. There won't be any need of medicine. There won't be any need of doctor. For major intervention, all these facilities will exist, but every person will have their own personal computer with their frequency. And if you look at it, you feel that headache is coming along, you just run the program for headache, and headache will go away. If you feel low in energy, you zap yourself with feel-good energy, and you will be fine. I said to him, do you know what you are talking about? All the notions of the conventional therapies will come down. They will be destroyed.